is Jelle Frank from Zwet. I am the Global Marketing Manager at Interxion. Interxion is a cloud and carrier-neutral data center provider. We have 34 data centers in 11 countries in Europe.
So what's going on with the European market right now? Who are you partnering with, and what are you providing? What services are you providing?
So we provide colocation space in the European market. As I said, we are in 11 countries, so that means we have a lot of local knowledge in every market. When we work in the US, we partner with CoreSite and Telex.
And what is the special benefit of being with you? Talk about the interconnection points in the...
Interxion has a very large community of connectivity and cloud providers. We have over 450 connectivity providers in our data centers and more than 400 service providers and system integrators.
And talk about a little bit about the systems integrators market. How do you work with them to get enterprises into the data center that they need to be?
Well, the system integrator market is a very interesting market in Europe. Not so much the global outsourcers, but there's a whole market below that of mid-sized system integrators that basically are the trusted IT suppliers of the enterprise market in Europe. We call them the cloud migration agents because they will be the companies that advise their enterprises, their customers, on how to migrate to the cloud and what kind of solutions they should choose and enable their enterprise IT to be in the cloud. Now, the most interesting thing about this is that with enterprise IT moving into the cloud, all the elements of cloud come together, whether it's software as a service, private cloud, public clouds, because simply if you look at all the applications that an enterprise uses and you go over that list, you need to decide what application do I put where. So it's very logical to put some of those workloads into a public cloud like Azure or Amazon, but other workloads fit better in a private environment or an application that you want to use from a public cloud environment. So we believe that the systems integrators are the ones that advise enterprises on how that hybrid environment should look. And for us, that all comes together within our data centers. Our data centers provide on and off ramps to some of the largest public clouds. We have a whole community of public cloud providers within our data centers, and we see a lot of these system integrators build public environments for their customers within our data centers and basically connect that. They connect that through a cross-connect within our data centers, but also leverage the availability of, for example, Amazon Direct Connect, and by that create a hybrid environment that directly connects into the Amazon cloud. So basically they are the ones that are the front runners in what we call the hybrid cloud environment or a multi-cloud environment.
So how is Interxion doing? You're expanding within your footprint. What are the recent projects that have been announced?
Well, we are of course continuously improving because we want to offer a scalable solution to our customers. So over the last 2 years we have grown extensively in our main markets, that is London, Amsterdam, Frankfurt and Paris. And one of our recent announcements is our second data center in Copenhagen and our 8th data center in Frankfurt.
So it sounds like you have a huge footprint in Europe. Any expansion in Asia or the US market?
We are a public listed company since January 2012, so I can't say anything about our expansion plans outside our current footprint.
Okay. How can people find out more about Interxion?
We have our website, it's www.interxion.com. We have a lot of information there, also a lot of content, interesting content. Recently I published a white paper on how to migrate to the cloud, and that is one of the elements you can find on our website.